To create a template with the logo included in the title block, open a template of desired size. Save as DWG and open with a DWG editor of choice. If you have your own template, skip ahead to 145. Select the title block, right-click, and open Block Editor. Select the Insert tab and insert OLE object. Once inserted, right-click to move and scale the object appropriately in relation to the title block. Exit Block Editor and accept changes made to the title block. Save DWG to use as a NetSkeme template. Notice the block name segment within NetSkeme. To check block names are consistent, enter the DWG editor, right-click, select Properties, and check Miscellaneous. If needed, change the name in NetSkeme to match the name listed in the DWG editor. Select Sheet Size and import the DWG to use as a template. Navigate to New and select the new template from My Templates. In the drawing space, the title block text can be edited. Text edits will be saved in a different sheet size if selected, but logos stay with the custom template.